I was going together.
This is a tutorial on how to make a YouTube subscribe link. Okay, a channel page link that we commonly use sends your audience to your channel page, whereas a subscribe link sends your audience to the same channel page with an added subscribe prompt, like this one. Okay, let's launch your web browser and go to YouTube. Now I'm going to log into my channel. We are now at the main page. Let's go to the channel page. At your channel page, the link on top here is your YouTube channel link. This is the link that will send your audience to your channel page. Okay, now let's add the following line of code to your channel link. You can also copy the code included in my description below. Once you're done, let's copy and test this new subscribe link. If you have entered the code correctly, it should work. Personally, I think the link is too long and unfriendly, so although the next step is optional, I fully recommend it. First, go to tinyurl.com. Again, we'll include the link in description. Paste your subscribe link here and click here. And now you have a tidy and friendly subscribe link. Hope you like this tutorial. Feel free to drop us a comment and have a blessed day. Goodbye.
Please like and subscribe.